Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up Hyperliquid with your Metamask. First, let's go to hyperliquid.xyz website. It is the official website of this platform. Here, you need to click Start Trading and Continue. We are redirected to Hyperliquid Trading Platform. Here we need to click green Connect button on the top right corner. Here choose Metamask and connect your wallet. Now you need to check these two boxes and click Accept. Confirm the signature on your Metamask pop-up. Now scroll down a little bit and find Deposit button to make your first deposit into Hyperliquid. Click Establish Connection and confirm in your Metamask. Here choose the source chain. I recommend Arbitrum as it is the most convenient way. Remember that you need to have USDC in your wallet if you want to deposit funds to Hyperliquid. Okay, so let's put the amount you want and click Deposit. And confirm transaction on the Metamask pop-up. Once done, you need to wait a minute or two to see funds on the platform. And that's all. Now you are ready to explore the Hyperliquid platform. If you want to get discount on trading fees, check the link in the description. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.